Indus Valley Civilization Part 2, Part 3. Indus Valley Civilization Part 3. Society of the Indus Valley Civilization. Society of the Indus Valley Civilization. Social structure, food, dress and ornaments. Recreation and amusement. Social structure, food, dress and ornaments, recreation and amusement. Social structure. The Harappan society probably consists of several social groups such as rulers, merchants, traders, artisans, farmers, manual laborers. The Harappan society probably made up several social groups such as rulers, merchants, traders, artisans, farmers, manual laborers. Food of the Indus Valley people. Food of the Indus Valley people. Wheat was the staple food of the Indus Valley people. Wheat was the main food of the Indus Valley people. Farmer grew barley, mustard, fruits and vegetables. Farmer cultivated barley, mustard, fruits and vegetables. Milk, meat and eggs formed a part of their diet. Milk, meat and eggs made a part of Indus Valley people diets. Let us learn dress and ornaments. First we will learn dress. The Indus Valley peoples were wearing cotton and woolen garments. The Indus Valley peoples were wearing cotton and woolen garments. They were wearing two pieces of dresses such as upper garment and lower garment. They were wearing two pieces of dresses such as upper garment and lower garment. Men were wearing a garment similar to dhoti. Men were wearing a garment similar to dhoti, while women were wearing skirt. Women are wearing skirts. Dhoti and skirts were the lower garment of the Indus Valley people. Dhoti and skirts were the lower garment of the Indus Valley people. The upper garment of the Indus Valley people was a shawl. The upper garment of the Indus Valley people was a shawl, and shawl was wearing around the shoulder. Shawl was wearing around the shoulder by both men and women. By both men and women. Let us learn the ornament of the Indus Valley people, or what type of ornaments the Indus Valley men and women were wearing. Both men and women were wearing ornaments. Both men and women were wearing ornaments. First, we will see what type of ornaments were wearing by men. Men were wearing necklace, amulets and finger rings. Men were wearing necklace, amulets and finger rings, while women were wearing headdress, earrings, bangles, girdles, bracelets and anklets. Women were wearing headdress, earrings, bangles, girdles, bracelets and anklets. The rich people of the Indus Valley were wearing ornaments which was made of gold, silver, and ivory. The rich people of the Indus Valley were wearing ornaments which was made of gold, silver, and ivory. The poor people of the Indus Valley were wearing ornaments which was made of shell, bone, and copper. The poor people of the Indus Valley were wearing ornaments which was made of shell, bone, and copper. The hairstyle of the Indus Valley people. The hairstyle of the Indus Valley people. First, we will learn what type of hairstyle kept by men. Men kept braids. The Indus Valley men's kept braids. It is similar to Muslim. It was similar to Muslim. The men's were combing their hair backward. The men's were combing their hairs backwards. Some of the men's were cutting short their hairs. Some of the men's were coiled in a knot on top of the head. Some of the Indus Valley people were coiling in a knot on top of the head. It is similar to Sikh people hairstyle. It is similar to Sikh people hairstyle. Let us learn the hairstyle of the women of the Indus Valley people. Women tied their hair tightly. Women tied their hair tightly. The women were using hairpins. They were combing to keep their hair in place. The women were using hairpins and they were combing to keep their hair in place. The women were using cosmetics. The women were using cosmetics. Let us learn recreation and amusement. Recreation and amusement. How did the Indus Valley people were entertaining themselves? The Indus Valley people were like to play indoor game than the outer activities or outer game. The Indus Valley people mostly like to play indoor game. The Indus Valley people were spending their free time for dancing, singing, playing board with dice. The Indus Valley people were spending their time for dancing, singing, playing board with dice. The Indus Valley people also play a game similar to modern chess. The Indus Valley people also played a game similar to modern chess. The children play with various toys like wheeled carts, dolls, animals with movable heads, sliding monkeys, rattles, whistles. The Indus Valley people not only entertain themselves but also they entertain their children by giving to them various toys. So the children play with various toys like wheel carts, dolls, animals with movable heads, sliding monkeys, rattles, whistles. The toys were made of baked clay or terracotta. All the toys of children's were made of baked clay or terracotta. The occupation of the Indus Valley people. The occupation of the Indus Valley people, we can learn here agriculture, demonstration of animals, art and craft. Agriculture, demonstration of animals, art and craft. Agriculture. The main occupation of the people of the Indus Valley was farming. The main occupation of the people of the Indus Valley was farming. Farming was not only the main occupation of the Indus Valley people but also for Mesopotamia people, for Egyptian people and for Chinese people. Farming is main occupation of the all over the world today. In India, farming is the main occupation of the India people. Farmer grew wheat, barley, fruits and vegetables. Farmer cultivate wheat, barley, fruits and vegetables. The Indus Valley peoples were the first people in the world to cultivate cotton. The Indus Valley peoples were the first people into the world to cultivate cotton. Other civilization people, they also cultivate different fruits, different crops, but the Indus Valley peoples were the first people to cultivate cotton. Due to the land fertility, the farmers grew enough surplus food to feed the people in towns and cities. Due to the fertility of the land, the farmers cultivate enough surplus food to feed the people in towns and cities. Domestication of animals. Domestication of animals. Animals like tiger, rhinoceros, elephant, buffalo, hump bulls, goats and sheep were domesticated by Indus Valley people. Animals such as tiger, rhinoceros, elephant, buffalo, hump bull, goats and sheep were domesticated by the Indus Valley people. Pigs, cats and dogs were kept as pets. Pigs, cats and dogs were kept as pets. Art and craft. Art and craft. The Indus Valley peoples were excellent potters and skilled craft people. The Indus Valley peoples were excellent potters and skillful craft people. The Indus Valley people made pottery of various shapes and size on the potter's wheel. The Indus Valley people made pottery of various or different shapes and different sizes on the potter bills. These pots were generally glazed or shining and painted. These pots were shining and these pots were painted with different sceneries or different animals outer part of the pots. The Indus Valley people made terracotta, which probably female figurines, which were probably symbolic of the mother goddesses. The Indus Valley people made terracotta. The terracotta, which was probably a female small statue, which were probably symbolic of the mother goddesses. They also knew the art of using metal. The Indus Valley people also knew the art of using metal.